So, thinking about today when you experimented with color, shape, and line, raise your hand if you can tell me about the math that you did. Tell me about some of the math that you used as you experimented today. Dibia?
Well, as today as scientists, we mix colors.
You did as scientists, and then when you mixed the colors, what kind of math things did you do with those colors?
Well, we made letters and
Okay.
we did like numbers.
Okay, so which of those would be about math, the letters or the numbers?
Well, the numbers.
Okay, what were some of the numbers that you made today?
Well, I was kind of like thinking about the numbers.
Okay, who can tell me about one of the numbers that they made today?
I didn't remember.
Sarah, what was one of the numbers?
10 and 100, and I made some shapes.
Oh, what were some of the shapes that you made?
A circle, a triangle, and a heart and a triangle.
And you know what I thought was kind of interesting, which kind of looks...
And I made letters.
Oh, what...
On my piece of paper. And little big dots and then little dots, and I painted my name.
Oh, so you've got kind of big and little, which is a comparison. You made your name, which was letters, but those also go a bit with the lines, right? That's not math, but as...
And I made lines, and I made a happy face, like we painted the line into a happy face.
Oh, and the happy face is kind of like a shape. What shape would the happy face be, Sarah?
Kind of like a oval.
Oh, yours was like an oval? You know what?
But it was like this.
So it was a big oval. And you know what was kind of neat was with what Aiden did. Aiden used shapes a lot in his drawing today. He noticed that artists use shapes a lot.
Yep.
What were some of the shapes that you used in your drawing, Aiden?
Triangles.
Okay.
And circles.
How did you use them? Can you tell me?
I use
Okay, but now it's Aiden's turn to
I
share.
use them to make characters.
Okay, so what were some of the characters that you made with those shapes?
Super Mario and Luigi.
Okay, what was the Super Mario made with? What shape?
Many shapes like circles for the head and rectangles and circle shapes more for the gloves.
I guess that artists use shapes a lot. The neat thing is I think jewelry makers might use some shapes too. Najma and Duran, they made some jewelry today with the pipe cleaners as they were experimenting with lines. And what are some of the patterns on your jewelry today?
Some purple and some pink.
So it was like purple, pink, purple, pink, purple, pink. And look at your other one. You have a 3-part pattern on that one.
This one, blue,
Yeah.
pink, and then yellow.
Oh, and it repeats. So even the jewelry makers might use math as they make their pretty bracelets. And actually, you know what? It was patterns that they used, but your bracelet is also a shape. What is the shape of our... It's right. So we could actually use math a lot, even as we're experimenting with the art.